Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Toyota RAV4 hybrid car, and today I will show you how you can remove electric compressor. Okay, so you can see here this is the compressor and there is two wire. One came inside the hybrid system, or cause when you start car in hybrid, compressor automatic on, no need to on start engine. And then one is pressure sensor. You see red wire is for hybrid system, and black wire for pressure sensor. Okay, see this is the I remove already condenser, everything, remove those wire. Okay, and then those 4 bolt remove. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and like my video, press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. One compressor like this, remove full compressor. See, there is no belt, no pulley, nothing. It's full electric.